Okay, all right, everyone. So this is our first homework video of the new year. All right. So right now, so this week, since homework number one was where your parents have to email me. So that's homework one. So that's on Monday, yesterday. So today and tomorrow. So Tuesday, Wednesday, you will have homework. And Thursday, there's no homework because there's no school. So this week's homework, we're going to concentrate on only one skill, which is finding the scale factor from one shape to another. So let's jump into it because I have a bunch of eighth graders that are dying to talk. So, okay, all right. So here it says the square on the right is a copy of the square on the left. So this makes this. So this is the original. Okay, the OG. This is the copy as I'm writing this down. So identifies, this is super easy. I mean, first of all, it's a square, right? So all the sides are the same. So how does 3 become 12? Yeah, super easy, times 4, right? So just enter in the scale factor in the box below. And then we'll do one that's a little bit harder, all right? So let's see. That's 4. Submit your answer. Okay, all right. So let's do another one where it's harder. All right, so homework's gonna take about 8 minutes to do. Okay, all right, this one is good actually. This is a good question. So let's see. Okay, so for this question, again, it's the same. The wording's the same. So the copy on the right is a scale copy of the left. So this is the original. This is the copy. Identify the scale factor. Now, when you're not sure what to do here, think about this. We're going from 70 to 21, right? So the question is really, what 70 times what gives us 21? Well, it's not going to be anything 1 or greater. That number has to be a fraction. So, okay, what fraction, right? Well, here's the trick that you can use. You could do 21 over 70, and then you have your answer. Right? Now, 21 over 70 can be reduced, right? Because they said they want this in the simplest form. So, okay, what number can go into both 21 and 70? Think about this. Yeah, 7, right? So here I have 21 over 7, which is 3. 70 over 7, 70 divided by 7 is what? 10, okay? And feel free to use a calculator when you do these. Not that you need it. So here, now, this is the crucial part. To write a fraction, you type in the number 3, and then on your keyboard, you will see next to, in the same button as the question mark on the keyboard, you're going to see a backslash. The backslash is this. I'll write it out for you. This is the backslash. Oops. This is the backslash. Not this. This is no good. This is the forward slash. Like, that's not going to help you. This one. So can you find it on your keyboard? All right, I might show you this in class also, okay? Next week. I mean, today. All right, backslash. You see how that, so if you want to get out of that, you can backspace or delete. Again, backslash, and then put in 10, like this. And then you submit the answer. All right, I think because this is our first homework, it would be good if we do one more. So let's do one more. Let's do a new problem. Okay, this is not bad, actually. This is not bad. So here, no, is this good? I don't really like it, actually. Let me pick a new problem. No, yeah, all right, let's do this one. Okay, so here we have an equilateral triangle. All right, so here, this is the original. This is the copy. So again, right, how does 71 become 37? Right, and I'm going to show this to you in a second. So again, right, 71 times what will give you 37? Well, the number is going to have to be a fraction. It has to be a really small number, right? It can't be 1. 1 times 71 is already 71. So, okay, so again, it's 30, so the trick is do 37 over 71. Now, let's see what happens when we put in the answer of 37 over 71, right? Well, these cross cancel, and so you're left with this, just 37. which is exactly what you wanted. You wanted 37 as an answer, okay? All right, so again, to type in the answer was 37 over, again, that backspace button on your keyboard. You can also find it on the right side of the keyboard, okay? 37 over 71. If you can find it, just tell me after class. I will show you where to find that backslash. Submit the answer. And that's it. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I will see you guys next week. Okay. OMG, that was so good.